Okay, we're ready to calibrate on zero pressure the transducer, and we're about to disconnect the air. Let's disconnect the air. There is no air right now. We have 0 psi in the machine and 0 psi on my calibrated gauge. Then I click next. It says the pressure transducer is going to be zeroed. I'll say OK. And tells me the pressure transducer has been zeroed. And I click OK. Now, for the next step, it says to reconnect the air. We have now air pressure, and we're going to begin to have some air in the calibrated gauge. Okay, now versus my calibrated gauge, I'm going to set about 5 psi, which is right here on my gauge, and I then I'm gonna set it in 6 so it is more clear. 6 psi is the blue numbers on the dial, and I will tell the software that I have actually 6 psi. Six psi on the software and 6 psi on my calibrated gauge, and then I say next. The transducer will have the adjustment done. I say OK. And now we have 6 psi on my calibrated, but the machine is telling me 10.4. The measured pressure, it says 10.5. But so this is my calibrated gauge, I believe, on this one. It's saying 6, and the software tells me 10.5. The machine is telling me 10.5. I can repeat this as much times as I want, and I will have the same result. I'm not able to make the machine tell me the same than my gauge.